Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. If you're involved in business process management, you know how important it is to have accurate and up-to-date reports about your processes. In this video, we'll be looking at Cardanit's automatic report feature. The report is automatically generated in real time. It has all the diagrams in the process and includes everything from definitions to attributes to diagram graphics and images. It has a clickable table of contents. Every diagram has its own chapter and every process its own section. You can read it in the Report tab, or if you want to customize it, you can download it in PDF or Word. And that's it. You're now ready to share it with stakeholders. Why not take a look for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.